Emotional stress. It's something we've all experienced. Whether it's from work, relationships, or the fast pace of life, stress doesn't just live in our minds. It impacts our entire body. When you're stressed, your body enters survival mode, releasing a flood of cortisol and adrenaline. Your heart races, your muscles tighten, and your mind can feel like it's on overdrive. Over time, this state of constant tension can lead to headaches, poor sleep, digestive issues, and even chronic pain. But here's the good news. Imagine this. For 1 hour, you're able to completely disconnect. Skilled hands work through the tension in your muscles, improving circulation and stimulating your body's natural relaxation response. Massage helps lower cortisol levels and increases serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good hormones that restore balance to your body and mind. The beauty of massage is that it's more than just physical, it's deeply emotional too. It reminds you to pause, breathe, and connect with yourself in a way that we often neglect in our busy lives. So if you've been feeling the weight of stress, let massage therapy be your reset button. Your body deserves the care, and your mind will thank you. Stress may be inevitable, but suffering from it doesn't have to be. Massage therapy can be a powerful antidote to the effects of stress.